Hi, I'm Fraser from Driftworks.com and I'm here with the 720 Style44. These wheels are really well packaged to make sure they survive on the way to your door. So we've got a big cardboard box, got another rim protector, a cover and a hairnet. So I'm looking at the Style44. This is a 15" by 9" wheel. Really small size but really wide, low offs. Great for Japanese cars, MX-5s, Corollas, that kind of thing. They come in 15 and 16, 8 or 9 inches. You can have them in 4x100 or 4x114.3. So most common Japanese cars and some of the older stuff. Also suitable for E30s and some of the older VWs. So these come in matte bronze and hyper black. These are small, wide with low offset. They've got plenty of dish. At Driftworks, we've helped over 50,000 happy customers since 2004. You'll find our online shop is simple to use with superb shipping rates to anywhere in the world and finance options available for UK customers. As you can see from this small selection of some of our own cars, we absolutely love wheel fitment. So if you need any help with wheel fitment for your own car or any of our other products before placing your order, please drop us an email to shop@driftworks.com or give us a call. I'm Fraser from Driftworks.com. Thanks for watching.